Yo, what up YouTube fans? It's your boy Kurt, man, and check it out. We got my Dell Area 51 laptop here, man. I've had this thing for some years. You can go back and you can see when I got this thing, when I did the unboxing. This had to be about, it's been about maybe 4 years now, maybe 3. I don't know, I'm not sure. But anyway, you can go back and you can see it's the Area 51 laptop, 17-inch. And guys, as you know, with time, the battery degrades on these things and you pretty much lose that battery power that you once had. Okay, so 74%. Look at that, it's already flashing though. See, it's about to die. Showing 74%, but it's getting ready to die right now. Okay, so that's the issue that I'm experiencing with this thing, man. Nothing is doing it what it's supposed to do as far as with the power. Your battery is low, you should plug in your device, battery running low. That's what I'm dealing with. Okay, so went on Amazon, I ordered me another battery. Okay, let's see, this battery hit me for about $69. Okay, 90 watt standard rechargeable lithium ion battery type DT9XG. Okay, so yeah, pretty much just go online and Alienware Area 51 battery. You can go about getting it that way, but let's go ahead and dive into it. It's shutting down right now. We're gonna go ahead and flip this baby over and get the screws out, remove the back cover, and go and throw this battery in. Let you guys join me in the process so you can see how to go about doing this and have the confidence to do it yourself. I am a Total Tech member. I could go to Best Buy and let those guys do it for me for free, but I can do this myself, so let's get to it. All right, gang, we're gonna go ahead and remove our screws from the back. Our battery came with this little tool kit, so makes it easy.
Keep up with your nails. Whoa.
All right, gang, so that's what we're looking like up under the cover. Look at that. All right, so here's our battery right here. As you can see, exact match. This is literally the same battery, surprisingly. Accessing any parts or devices. Let's go and get this battery out though, okay? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 mounting points for the battery. Let's go ahead and go about removing that. So as you saw, gang, I just gently lifted it up. The battery connector is right here on the back side, away from the front side of the battery. All right, you just take that out of there, shimmy it a little bit left and right. Like so. Old battery. As you can see, the new battery, the difference. Old battery, new battery difference, as you can see. Not really any difference at all. Okay, let's see. Let's go ahead and place this back in here. All right, battery is back in place. All right, this will be a good time to go ahead and put screws in difficult locations like such here in the front where it's recessed a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and do so. Got that one. Why not go ahead and get them all in? Just be careful when you're placing it, when you're seating it down, don't let them drop out and fall everywhere. Go and start them up. right, gang, we got it all buttoned up, nice and tight. All right, gang, let's go ahead and place this cover back on and get everything buttoned back up. All right, gang, we have everything in place. Try these hands up. Goodness gracious. Okay, let's flip this baby over and see what it does. I'm not sure what type of charge this battery comes with. Pretty sure it's not much of anything, but we'll see. All right, she's powering up. Good sign, things were done just right, okay? I can breathe easily now, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so, all right, so we are showing half of a battery, halfway charged. Let's get logged on. All right. All right, so we're showing 53% battery life. I think we are good to go, gang. But yeah, this concludes the video. This is your boy C-Spec Kurt. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel. In the meantime, I'm out of here, man. Peace.